This is 2 million. This is 4 million. This is 6 million. This is 8 million. This is 10 million. And what if I told you that all of this money, I just earned it in 1 month? YouTube has changed my entire life. Like, YouTube changed my entire life. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. I made this money in just 1 month. Okay, the money you're seeing here, this is Ugandan money. This is 50,000 notes, Ugandan notes. Okay, this is a note of 50,000 Ugandan shillings. This money is actually 4 million Ugandan shillings, what you're seeing right here. And I'm not just talking about this, I'm talking about more money. Yeah, what you're seeing here is real money. This is a note of 20,000 Ugandan shillings, and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bundles. Every bundle here is equivalent to 2 million. This is 2 million. This is 4 million. This is 6 million. This is 8 million. This is 10 million. And what if I told you that all of this money, I just earned it in 1 month? Yes, I earned this money in just 1 month of July. Okay, now YouTube has paid me this money in August, but this money I earned it in July, and I'm gonna explain why that happens. YouTube pays the previous month in the current month. For example, as I said, this money I earned it in July and YouTube has paid it in August, meaning YouTube pays the previous month in the current month. I'm making this video to inspire someone out there. If you're thinking about beginning a YouTube channel, if you're like, should I begin a YouTube channel? Is YouTube worth it? Does really YouTube pay? Thank you so much, YouTube. I'll say this once again. YouTube, thank you so much for coming up with Edison's program. I'm so happy that I've made this money, and this money can actually help me do some stuff in my life, improve my life. This is very grateful. I'm not actually here to show the money as you're seeing here. I'm just showing this to inspire someone out there. If you want to make money from YouTube, if you're monetized right now but your channel is not actually earning, if you're not monetized and you want to earn this kind of money from YouTube, what I can tell you right now is to give YouTube time, because YouTube is worth it. Give YouTube your time, invest your time in YouTube, and in return, YouTube is going to pay you this kind of money. Don't think that this is actually fake money. This is real Uganda money, and this money is equivalent to 3,000 plus US dollars. This is almost 3,500 US dollars, and I just earned this in 1 month. I got monetized in February 2025, and since February up to this August, it has been, I think roughly it is 6 months, and in 6 months of being monetized here on YouTube, YouTube has paid me 5 months. Okay, YouTube has paid 5 months since I got monetized, and in that 5 months I've managed to fulfill all my dreams. One of my biggest dreams was actually to build up a music studio. Yes, I was dreaming of having a music studio, and right now YouTube has helped me to build a music studio. I have a music studio. I have this studio that you're seeing right here, and all the money that built up this studio, all the machines I use, the camera, everything. When you look at the videos that I uploaded at the beginning on this channel, I was just using my mobile phone and the natural light from my window. And right now, as I'm speaking, I have all equipments, and it is all about hard work. Yes, so if you're chasing your YouTube dreams, if you want to actually become successful on YouTube, you should just continue putting more effort. Don't give up. Don't feel like giving up because the views are not coming. Don't feel like giving up because of anything. I don't want to say much, but I feel like I need to say much to actually help some YouTubers, some small YouTubers out there, the YouTubers that are monetized right now, and they feel like they want to give up just because they are monetized but they are not earning money. The problem is not about YouTube. The problem is not about anything. The problem is about the strategies that you actually apply on your channel. So if you want to earn more money on YouTube, if you want to actually improve your YouTube strategies, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out my previous videos. I've been sharing different strategies that can actually help you earn more money from YouTube, that can actually help you get viewers from big countries like USA, Canada, UK, Australia, and those other big countries. Because to make more money on YouTube, it doesn't matter which niche you make. What matters is where your audience come from. Yes, if your audience come from big countries like Australia, UK, Canada, those countries that actually spend more money online, the countries that actually purchase things, purchase products online, you're going to earn more money. And that is the number one trick that you should always think about when beginning a YouTube channel. Don't bother about which kind of niche should I make. No, that's not the big deal. The big deal is where does your audience come from. If your audience come from Africa, if your audience come from India, if your audience come from Nigeria, if your audience come from Kenya, Uganda, you're going to earn low money. You're going to earn little money. But when your audience come from US like me, when your audience come from UK like me, when your audience come from Canada, from Australia, you're going to earn this kind of money. This video is actually an inspirational thing to every YouTuber out there. If you think about giving up, bro, don't give up. YouTube has money that can actually change your life within a year. As I said, I'm just 6 months monetized on YouTube, and I've managed to fulfill almost all my dreams in just a period of 6 months. So my last words are, do not give up on your YouTube channel. Don't quit your YouTube channel just because you're not seeing the views right now. So if you want to monetize your YouTube channel, what you have to do, subscribe right now to this channel, Ben did it, because here I share tricks, hacks on how to grow up on YouTube, on how to earn more money on YouTube. I just talk about YouTube growth and YouTube wealth. And if you want to do that, if you want to actually become successful on YouTube, what you have to do is to join the real gang. What you have to do is to follow the real example by subscribing to my channel and checking out my golden videos, the videos that I actually share golden tips that can actually help you earn this kind of money. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like it, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And if you think about beginning up a YouTube channel, if you think about which kind of a niche you want to make on YouTube, check out this video, because in this video I explain the kind of niches that actually get views even if you're just beginning, even if your channel is stuck. If you do this kind of niches, you're going to get views, you're going to earn money, you're going to monetize, you're going to get everything that you desire on YouTube, because these niches are trending niches. These niches are big deals. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one, and good luck on YouTube.